Welcome to Fashion Trends. Subscribe to receive free and awesome videos from our channel. And remember to hit the bell icon so you can receive similar types of these videos from our channel. Hello beautiful girls, welcome back to Fashion Trends, and today in our video we will be seeing about antique necklace designs. Today I'm going to be talking about what are the antique designs to include your necklace and where can you wear these antique necklaces. So without asking a minute, let's get back with this amazing video. But before we do so, remember to like to our channel and subscribe to our channel. So now let's jump into this amazing video. So friends, talking about what are the amazing designs to include your amazing antique necklaces. You can try on your own with designs of flower-based floral designs or peacock and elephant designs, or you can even try going on with antique temple designs or temple designs where it has gods like Lakshmi. So you can even try going on with coins, which is also a kind of antique necklace. Talking about where can you wear these, you can try wearing these in weddings, engagements, traditional occasions and festive occasions too. So hope you guys have really enjoyed this video. So remember to like to our channel and subscribe to our channel so you can purchase similar types of these amazing and beautiful antique necklaces by clicking the link below in the description box, friends. You can purchase these in Amazon and they're absolutely beautiful. So bye friends.